Assalamualaikum, a very good day. My name is Adnan, Senior Engineer in Mitsubishi Company Dealer. According to the COVID-19 issue, with the restricted time, I will make a shortly video about the Mitsubishi evaluation system, especially about the transmission system that we call it CVT, Continuously Variable Transmission System. Okay, let's follow me. Okay, features of Continuously Variable Transmission CVT. For the mode select drive mode, no need to gear shift, just like with the automatic transmission. Same with the others car. For the mode select for the manual mode, can shift gear at will just like with an manual transmission, but don't have any pedal clutch. So you can change your gear by push up or push down this pedal gear. Okay, so for every number of gear change, we can see at the dashboard display. Last but not least, about special with this CVT at this car, you can change or you can go to mode select for manual. For the manual mode, just using your finger at the pedal shift gear to make a gear change. So if you think to have a best performance while driving, I recommend you the Mitsubishi Evolution Lancer is the best car for your selected. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Hafiz Bair Osman. Next, I will talk about Mitsubishi Lancer Evo 10. The Mitsubishi Lancer is a world rally car built by Rally Art Mitsubishi Motors Motorsport Division to compete in the World Rally Championship. The previous Lancer Evolution series were homologated for the Group A class, and their competitiveness against World Rally car from other manufacturers was therefore limited. Known as affordable and dependable compact sedan, the sporty Lancer was looked of fun to drive. Meanwhile, the Lancer Evolution popular on the world rally scene. Next, I will talk about Mitsubishi Lancer Evo 10 specification. For the displacement of this car is 2.4 liter, and the horsepower is 168 6,000 rpm. For the torque is 167 lb-ft, which is 4,100 rpm. For the red line rpm is 6,500. For the transmission, it uses the continuously variable transmission, which is CVT. For the driveline of this car is front wheel drive. For the acceleration from 0 to 60 rpm is 7.8 seconds. Next, for the EPA fuel economy, for the city is 23 mpg. For the highway 30 mpg, and combined for the average is 26 mpg. Next, for the performance of this car, the CVT gearbox produces the best performance result in fuel economy, with a marked reduction in exhaust emission compared with some of the results obtained from the manual and automatic transmission. Due to the higher efficiency of controlling speed ratio, in addition to the great effect of performance than others, CVT is still a new technology, and the automaker has been working to improve it, but they will still last for a long time if you do proper maintenance. Lastly, for the fuel efficiency, unlike the traditional automatic transmission, CVT can always alter the gear ratio to keep your engine running at the maximum efficiency, whereas as even the most advanced conventional transmission have no more than 10 gears. CVT have an infinite number of gears, leading to a better gauge mileage. That's all from me, thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Umar Hakim bin Rosli, and next I will continue with the transmission system that Evo Lancer use. The transmission system type that Evo Lancer use is continuously variable transmission (CVT). This transmission is an automatic transmission that can change seamlessly through a continuous range of gear ratios. Compared to the other type of transmission, this transmission provide a limited number of gear ratios in fixed sets. On the other hand, it has no gears. Unlike the traditional transmission, which use lower and high gears with the set ratios, the CVT pulleys have constantly changing the widths. As one pulley gets bigger, the other pulley gets smaller, and it keeps changing during the driving session. Next, there are 5 benefits of CVT. As you can see, first, it is very easy to drive, the low fuel consumption, fun to drive, it have very reasonable price of the transmission, and the smoother gear experience. As you can see, during the gear changing, compared to the other automatic transmission, the continuously variable transmission provide a very smooth change during shifting. Next, with the features of the continuously variable transmission, the smoother gear shift than conventional MT by the intelligent shift control actuator. This intelligent shift control actuator consumes 4 components, which is the electro-hydraulic mechanism integrated with the controller. It is directly mounted on the transmission system, and finally, it is synchronized with the engine, synchronized control. The unique of this continuously variable transmission, it creates more efficient driving and also speedy shift to the vehicle. That's all from me, thank you.
Assalamualaikum and good morning. I'm Raif Imran from 4BMMA S2/1. So for my part, I would like to talk about the comparison of MT, AT and CVT. Okay, for conventional MT, we can see that from the statistic web, we can see low fuel consumption and reasonable price, and it is fun to drive. But for conventional MT, it's not really easy to drive the vehicles. For conventional AT, it's easy to drive, but it's a lack of fuel consumption, the high price, and not really fun to drive. It is for conventional AT. Okay, for CVT, have a low fuel consumption, have a reasonable price, easy to drive, and fun to drive. Okay, so next, for the new transmission CVT that have both NT and AT characteristic in it, such as features for auto gear shift, using drive mode, it is no need to gear shift, just like with an AT conventional. And next, we'll use manual mode that can shift gear at will, just like with an MT conventional. Okay, so for the conclusion, this drivetrain got the front driver Lancer to 60 mpg just under 8 seconds, which is pretty good for its class. For this type of car, you can expect much with 16-inch rim and 45 series tires. That's all from me. Thank you.